Hello, welcome to Outreach Opportunities. This video will cover the steps and processes to finding and creating outreach activities for your team. This video will initially cover how to narrow down your choices and will specify what you should do at these events. Finding outreach opportunities. In order to find outreach opportunities, look around your community and online, contacting events you're interested in. Additionally, you can create your own outreach opportunities, joining together with other organizations with similar interests, like other FIRST teams or educational groups. Common venues to volunteer for would include local schools, convention centers, FIRST organizations, and commercial venues. Determine your event setting and purpose, fitting the outreach activity to the appropriate venue. For example, an outside event could utilize larger areas to enable more activities, especially those requiring a lot of movement. Indoor activities are great for highlighting robot strengths and letting your audience see the robot's capabilities. Additionally, cater your activities to your known audiences. If you know that you'll have children and families engaging with your activities, include crafts with critical thinking and STEM skills, and robotic activities appropriate for younger children. This helps introduce children to the FIRST organization through informational pamphlets and fun STEM activities. If potential sponsors are there, advertise your team's strength to find community sponsors interested in funding your team. In sum, cater your event to the setting, purpose, and audience. Finding activities. After narrowing down the type of activity at your event, determine the specificities. You can create activities to match your event's theme and purpose, like creating Lego robots or allowing people to drive the first robot. Also, you can research fun educational activities online in order to find more ideas. Prepare any materials you'll need for the event well before the activity. Finally, considering creating an official table or booth that informs the public about FIRST activities through official brochures available at the FIRST Inspires webpage. This table can be useful for different kinds of outreach opportunities regardless of activity types. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment them down below and we can definitely help you find more outreach opportunities. Bye!